Welcome to the heart of Green Bay. You're at 10 Pendlebury Street. Over or nearly 1,300 square metres of land and a 1960s classic 210 two-storey building to go with it. They don't make homes like this anymore. A classic 1960s property. Look at the quality, look at the wooden floorboards, and look at the space you've got to work with. Bring your architect and let's make this home your own. Let's talk about the land. It is incredibly rare to find a section of this magnitude, nearly 1,300 square metres, right here in central Green Bay. Zoned mixed housing suburban, the subdivision and development potential here is massive. You are looking at one of the best land bank or development opportunities in West Auckland. Whether you're looking to develop the potential of this property or whether you're looking for your forever home, living in Green Bay is a privilege. It's a special community and you are most welcome to join it.